I am happy to officially commence the build-out of the Portmore Resilience Park.
The mission of the government for the next 5 years, well, it's a long-term mission. It's focused on peace, productivity, prosperity.
Today, we launched the board of NIRA, the National Identification Registration Authority, another important milestone in national identification.
Effective July 1st, 2024, the NHD will revise its home improvement loan policy, expand its home grants to include the installation of solar panel systems. Contributors will now be able to access a new loan product, the Smart Energy Home Improvement Loan. The NHD will develop one-bedroom apartment complexes, particularly within or near urban centers, as starter homes. The NHD will develop housing targeted to workers in strategic areas in health, security, education, and tourism. Reserve up to 10% of the housing solutions in the current housing plan for under 35-year-old contributors. Offer relief from interest and penalties on outstanding contributions. The Hart NSDA Trust will introduce the Community Action for Rewarding Engagement initiative. Every successful graduate of a Level 4 trade program will receive a grant of $50,000 to help them acquire the tools of their trade and to step up to the next stage of their career. The Development Bank of Jamaica has introduced the Trade Person Ownership Opportunity Loan. I'm pleased to announce that the government will establish the Jamaica 60 Hope for Children Trust Fund.
I am pleased to declare Jamaica as a STEM island. This is a major part of wealth creation for families, but more so, it is the creation of intergenerational wealth.
The duties required of this position as a member of the executive. I take those duties seriously.
As a country, we must be prepared.
The government will act in a speedy way to assist the recovery process.
So the instant help with tarpaulins, with water supply, small packets, care packets that could have water and food.
It is important that the government creates a space where the corporate philanthropy and the civil society philanthropy can be coordinated and organized.
We are coordinating the continued distribution of food, water, medical sundries, and other essentials to citizens in the most affected areas. Based on the damage assessments received to date, an allocation of $1 billion Jamaican dollars has been made towards providing grants and assistance for restoration, reconstruction, and relocation. And the NHD will contribute $200 million. the title is more than just your certificate of ownership.
Today, the government is able to respond with a much greater quantum of assistance than before. The work of the DRMRC is not just about addressing the immediate risks posed by disasters, but about building a culture of resilience in Jamaica that prepares us for the future. We have an obligation to protect the interests of future generations by giving life to the Declaration. Our discussions touched a range of issues of mutual interest, including health, agriculture, digital transformation, film, education, sports, tourism, and many other subjects.
I'm very pleased to announce that the government has done their preliminary work and will be moving forward with the legal process to introduce a new national honor, the Order of National Icon. Today, I'm pleased to have been the second person to receive the National ID card, the first being His Excellency, the Governor General. The tagline we are using for this next chapter is Aspire Jamaica. This chapter is about bold action, shared responsibility, and unyielding ambition with visionary leadership. Together, we will create a Jamaica that is not only stable, but thriving.